Ever stared at a long document knowing the answer you need is buried in there somewhere, but you just don't have the time to read through it all? That's exactly why Doc-Scribe has AI built right in. In this episode, we're covering everything from Chat AI and all 6 AI modes to how you can keep track of your AI usage. Let's dive in. To generate a quick AI summary, start by clicking the 3-dot menu next to your document. From the drop-down that appears, pick the AI summary option. And just like that, a modal pops up and the system instantly generates a clear summary of what this quotation is all about. The AI summary has been successfully generated and is now displayed on your screen. Next, let's look at how to copy or regenerate the summary so you can save the text for later use or refresh it if you need a different version. Take a moment to review the AI-generated summary, which breaks down the key points of the quotation for you. If you'd like to save this summary elsewhere, hit the Copy button. Not quite happy with the result? You can always use the Regenerate option to get a fresh take. Once you're done, close the AI summary modal to head back to your document. The AI summary is now ready for use. Let's move on to opening the Ask AI panel, where we can interact directly with the document using different AI modes. To open the Ask AI panel, start by clicking on the quotation document you want to work with. Once the document viewer loads up, hit the Ask AI button in the top right corner to bring up the AI assistant. The Ask AI panel will slide open on the right. From here, open the AI mode drop-down to see what's available. You'll notice several modes here, including General Chat, Visualiser, Analyst, Reviewer, Transcript, and Extractor, each designed for a different task. For now, go ahead and pick General Chat since we're just going to ask a simple question about the document. The Ask AI panel is now open and ready for your input. Let's start with Asking Questions in General Chat mode, where you can type any question about the document to get instant answers. To try out General Chat mode, type your question into the chat box at the bottom, like asking whether the quotation includes SST, and then send it off. In just a moment, the AI comes back with a clear text answer pulled straight from the document. Now, to explore what else this AI can do, open the AI mode drop-down again. We've seen how General Chat mode handles document questions. Let's move on to creating charts with Visualiser mode, which turns your document data into visual charts for easier comparison. To create charts from your document, switch the AI mode to Visualiser using the drop-down menu. Visualiser goes beyond just reading numbers. In the chat box, type your request asking for a chart that compares the cost breakdown between development and services, then send it off. Give it a moment, and the AI will generate a bar chart showing you exactly how the development and services costs stack up against each other. Along with the chart, you'll get a short text summary explaining the figures. From here, you can hit Expand for a bigger view, or use the Download button to save the chart for dropping straight into a report for your client or boss. The chart comparing development and services costs is ready. Next, let's move on to analyzing data with Analyst mode, where the AI digs deeper into the numbers to uncover insights and trends within your document. Let's try something deeper. Open the AI mode drop-down and switch over to Analyst, which is essentially your document detective. In the chat box, ask a more investigative question, like whether the discount pattern seems reasonable and which item received the highest discount. Then send it off. Analyst mode doesn't just read the document, it interprets it, surfacing insights you might otherwise miss, like flagging that the biggest discount is tied to the development items. The Analyst insights are ready. Next, let's use Reviewer mode to check the quotation for any calculation errors in the subtotal or amount columns. To turn the AI into your second pair of eyes for QA, open the AI mode dropdown and switch it over to Reviewer. In the chat box, type your review request asking the AI to check for any calculation errors in the subtotal or amount columns, then send it off. Give it a moment to work through each row, since it needs to verify unit prices, discounts, and totals one by one. Once it's done, you'll get a detailed breakdown flagging each calculation as correct or incorrect, so you can catch any mistakes before sending the quotation out. Reviewer mode has confirmed our calculations are accurate. Next, let's open a call transcript and use transcript mode to quickly summarize what was discussed and agreed upon. Let's explore something a little different. Open the AI mode dropdown and switch over to transcript mode. This one isn't really built for standard documents like quotations. It's designed for meeting transcript and call discussions. So imagine you've recorded a call with your client and uploaded the transcript into your file list. You'll see a file like this, call transcript for this document, ready to go. Go ahead and open the call transcript file to load it in the viewer. Once the document loads, hit the Ask AI button and set the AI mode to transcript. In the chat box, type a question focused on the key outcomes of the call, something like asking what the client agreed on during the discussion, and send it off. And just like that, the AI pulls out the key decisions in a clean bulleted list. Instead of reading through a long back-and-forth conversation, you get the conclusions instantly. The transcript summary is ready. Next, let's use Extractor mode to pull specific data points from the quotation into a structured format. To structure data from your documents, switch the AI mode to Extractor from the dropdown, then head back to your file list. Open up the quotation document again so we can pull structured data out of it. Once the file loads, launch the Ask AI panel, make sure Extractor mode is selected, and type in the fields you want pulled out. Things like the quotation number, date, validity, and total amount, asking for it in a table format. Send the query off to the AI. The AI returns all the key data in a clean, structured format, ready to export straight into Excel or plug into your system. We've successfully structured the quotation data into a clean JSON format. When you use Extractor mode to pull data from an invoice or quotation, like quotation number, amount, vendor, the extracted result can come out in JSON format, so it's easy to import directly into other systems, ERP, accounting software, or a database. To keep tabs on your AI consumption, take a look at the counter at the bottom of the Ask AI panel. It shows exactly how many queries you've used out of your total limit, like 16 out of 500 here. Since AI usage isn't unlimited, it's smart to keep an eye on this so you always know how much you have left. And if you're an admin, you can also monitor your entire team's usage from the settings, making it easy to manage consumption across the board.